This video is sponsored by Kemimoto.
What's up, squids? Hello! Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another review. We got reviews back to back on this channel. Oh my god. We're killing it out here with these reviews. Holy snap. Well, this is a review of the Kemimoto Highway Pegs. Let's do the unbox and install, and then we'll come back to the first ride impressions.
Okay guys, here's what's in the box. The foot pegs, foot peg hinges, 3 Allen wrenches, 2 bolts, and 2 plastic spacers. Okay guys, this job does not require you to buy any special tools or any gloves. You're not going to get dirty doing this. There's no reason to get dirty. Now, this set already came with 3 Allen wrenches already. I normally would give you the size, but I'm not going to give you the size because you don't need to go out and buy any because the pack already came with Allen wrenches already. So let's get to installing. As you can see out of the box, they already come almost pre-set up already. This link is already set up. I put this on here. I am using my own tools for this job. First thing we have to do here is determine the height we want this at. Do we want it this high? Do we want it lower down here and further out? Do we want it all the way up and probably further out? This is what we have to determine. And then we're going to adjust this bottom half as well. Let's say we want to go right here. Now, because my bars are so fat, so thick, that's what she said, this washer is not going to be of any help to me because it doesn't close far enough in for the washer to actually be useful. So I'm going to leave that off. I'm going to just go like this. Put this here, screw in like this. Now you could use their tools. I just choose to use my own tools because I kind of like my own tools. Now I got to determine how high I want this foot peg. Do I want it right here? Do I want it out some more? I think right here works for me. I could drop it like right here. I could drop the foot peg right here. The beauty of this foot peg is there's also an option to release right here, and you can adjust it this high, adjust it this high, adjust it like this. Also remember this swings up as well to get out of the way if you don't need it, and swing it right back down. When you determine exactly where you want it, and you can tighten it up a bit. And this is exactly where I want it. Just slightly off the actual foot peg. So right here is good enough for me. And my legs are so long, I can still go out some more. I still feel a little squunched out right here. Although I get a little relief from right here being so high, and I can still come here. I feel like I need to be like out here somewhere because my legs are so goddamn long. Holy crap. This is totally customizable. You can decide what angle you want this at, how high up you want this, how far in you want this, how far up you want this. Totally customizable, guys. Well guys, if you're interested in these pegs at all, you can pick these up at Kemimoto.com or Kemimoto Amazon. You can use my promotion code 1 aka Bull to get some money off these pegs.
Well guys, the highway pegs are on and looking pretty snazzy, if I do say so myself. Now anybody who owns these lowrider S's know that these lowrider S's come with mids. But they have a 5-gallon tank and it's a soft tail, so you can practically tour with this bike. And touring with mids is a goddamn nightmare, especially if you have long legs. If you are anything over 5'9", you will suffer touring on mids. It's so convenient to have this mustache patch guard and the Kemimoto Highway Pegs on this bike. All you gotta do is flick down like this, put your foot out, and relax on those highway speeds, my dude. It's that simple. Woo! Loving these pegs so far, guys. Haven't had them long, only had them for about a week to play with, so. But I've been playing with them, especially going on some little longer trips. It's so convenient with my legs bent like this, man, from mids. I like to just stretch my foot out. Oh man, talk about lovely. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this one. If you're interested in these Kemimoto pegs, you can pick them up, like I said before, from their website or from Kemimoto Amazon. Don't forget to use my promo code 1AKA-BULL. Save yourself some cash while you're at it. I got some more reviews coming soon. I can't mention who they are just in case I am not really into the product and I gotta send it back. I don't want to put anybody's name out there. So I'll let you know when those other reviews are about to drop. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll post it up on Instagram. If you don't follow me, go on and follow me. I'll let you know when those other reviews are coming out soon. And if there are any promo codes along with those reviews as well. But so far so good, man. Look at me. All stretched out, baby. All stretched out. Alright guys, if you made it this far into the video, as always, I appreciate you. Remember to keep your eyes on the swivel, keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up, and I love these pegs, these highway pegs. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.